Hello everybody, excited to share with you this robot vacuum cleaner. So in the box you get the vacuum cleaner itself, you get the self-empty base that you plug in, making sure nothing is too close to it. You get cleaning cloth, 4 brushes, look like that, filter, dust bag, and manual. One the quick start guide and the regular user manual. Before you start using the vacuum, you will need to install these brushes. You just click them on the bottom of the vacuum. You'll have to use the app with your vacuum cleaner that looks like that, and you operate your vacuum cleaner through this app. It's pretty easy and self-explanatory. So my vacuum is working right now, but if I want to stop it, I'll stop it. So you operate it through this app.